I've had like a lot of bad experiences too at dentist.
Really?
Even when I had like the wisdom teeth pulled, I wasn't like fully under.
Oh, that's terrible.
Yeah, I felt all of it.
Anytime my dentist was drilling my teeth, he never got me fully like numbed.
Oh, he was like a Kevorkian type. He really enjoyed you.
No, he was a nice guy, but like he just couldn't numb like the right nerve.
Actually, no, fuck that, dude. The guy's falling asleep in your mouth. He probably forgot.
He would shank that needle all around my fucking gums. And I'm like, ow, ow. He's like, don't worry, it's going to be numb in a minute. And then next thing I know, like he's drilling. I'm like, okay, not feeling anything. And then he's going deeper. And I'm like, ah. And then he's like, don't worry, it's almost done, almost done. And then he's like,